here, but it's very crowded.
Where the train?
See.
Where the train?
I don't know. I am also coming first time now.
I also am coming the first time. It feels like you're the first.
Today is Friday, so every half of the people are here only, I guess.
Half? This is.
So this is the park, guys. It's so windy here, and you can see the mountains over here, and there mini train is also there. Let's see. So you can come with your family here. You can see this view. It's a mesmerizing view here. What are you doing, Tia? This place is really nice. Tia,
It's
you
really
like this?
horrible.
Horrible.
I love the park, but I don't like that they get the kayak because my parents want to do kayak.
Guys, if you know kayaking,
Kayak.
then it's the best place for you to visit.
Because in 15 dirham, you get it for unlimited time.
Oh, just in 15 dirham. Okay. So it has written here that just in 15 dirham you can take it for unlimited time. So it's nice place. Do you wanna go?
The restaurant also mini train.
Nice place, huh? Close to nature. So we are especially coming here to go in this mini train. So here is the board for mini train. Let's see. So this is the route for mini train, and people are going from here. You can see. They have other activities too to do here. And Tia Papa are ready to go in this mini train. Tia, are you excited to go? First let Papa will sit, then you will sit. You have to hold this, yes. So they're ready to go. Papa is sitting there. Bye bye, Tia. Tia. Bye. Bye bye. So these two are going. Bye bye. So it's a long track. I hope they will enjoy. I'm going to the other side so that I can record nicely when they will come back. So if you like to do adventure, so this is a place for you. You can come here and enjoy. So this is a long route and they're gonna come from here. Hi. How was the ride? How was the ride? Good. You enjoyed? Okay, so I think next Tia, Papa and Tia are going to come. Bye. So they're going to come now from here. I saw them here, but now they disappear. I think they're gonna come now. Let's see. And let's record their expression, especially Tia's expression. I think they're coming. Yay! Here they are! Hi Tia! Did you enjoy the ride? Yay! How was it? Very small. Oh. Did you enjoy or not, Tia? Yes. Very nice. Oi, careful, careful. Different kinds of
Mommy, can I do that?
games are here for the kids. You wanna do this? You did it before.
But
Let's
I
see.
wanna do.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. So this full park is surrounded by mountains and greenery. It's a nice experience to come here.
Mama!
Yeah, I'm taking.
Bounce house, I want to go there! A bounce house!
So actually it's a picnic spot. If you're planning to come with your family, spend some time near the greenery. Yeah, so you can come.
Papa!
We are also exploring first time.
Can we go there?
So busy.
Yeah.
We'll see.
See that?
So it's a nice picnic spot in Elaine. You can see it's so green. Tia is there because today is Friday, so you will see many families, many children are coming in this park and enjoying with their families. So they have many rides and swings and bounce house, everything over here, and everybody is enjoying with their family. It's a nice place to visit. From this park you can even see Jabil Hafid route. This is the road which go to Jabil Hafid. So this park is near Jabil Hafid. Those who are looking for the location of this park.